To control the heavens is to hold the ultimate trump card in the high-stakes game of geopolitics. For 8 decades, the strategic bomber has served as the iron fist of the United States Air Force, a visible, undeniable projection of power that can reach any coordinate on the globe. This is not just a history of machines. It is a chronicle of the American superpower. The lineage begins in the flak-filled skies of Europe. The Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress defined the doctrine of daylight precision bombing. It was a rugged symbol of grit, absorbing punishment that would shred lesser airframes. But the true pivot to the modern era arrived with the Boeing B-29 Stratofortress. Pressurized, technologically superior, and terrifyingly capable, it delivered the atomic dawn to Japan, ending one war and igniting the fuse of a 40-year standoff. As the Cold War froze relations, the machines grew titanic. The Convair B-36 Peacemaker was a bridge between eras, a magnesium overcast boasting 6 propellers and 4 jet engines. It was an intercontinental leviathan designed to carry nuclear gravity bombs without refueling. Yet, the future belonged to the jet age. The Boeing B-47 Stratojet introduced the swept-wing architecture that defines aviation today, while the B-50 bridged the gap as a super-powered evolution of the B-29. Then the legend arrived, the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. From the early tall-tail models to the modern B-52H and the upcoming B-52J, the Buff defies time itself. It is a subsonic fortress capable of carrying 70,000 pounds of ordnance. It has outlived the Soviet Union, and it will likely outlive the pilots currently flying it. It is the workhorse of the triad, a testament to the philosophy that sometimes brute force and redundancy are the best deterrents. But there was a time when speed was the god of war. The Convair B-58 Hustler, a beautiful delta-winged dart, brought Mach 2 capability to the bomber force. It was followed by the mythical North American XB-70 Valkyrie, the White Bird. Designed to ride its own shockwaves at Mach 3, the Valkyrie was an engineering marvel that pushed physics to the breaking point, though it never saw mass production. This era of experimentation also gave us the General Dynamics FB-111 Aardvark, a tactical swing-wing surgeon designed to slip under radar at breakneck speeds. As surface-to-air missiles evolved, the mission shifted from high-altitude speed to low-altitude penetration. Enter the Rockwell B-1. From the raw speed of the Alpha prototype to the refined lethality of the B-1B Lancer, known affectionately as the Bone. With variable sweep wings and terrain-following radar, the Lancer acts as a supersonic switchblade, hugging the Earth to deliver massive payloads before the enemy even knows the war has started. Then, the geometry of war changed forever. The Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, a flying wing with the radar cross-section of a large bird. It rendered dense air defense networks obsolete overnight. The Spirit is not just an aircraft, it is a $2 billion ghost, capable of penetrating the most heavily defended airspace in the world to deliver a decisive knockout blow. Now we stand on the precipice of the 6th generation, the B-21 Raider. Rising from the DNA of the Spirit, the Raider is designed for a new era of anti-access area denial. It is a digital native, an advanced stealth platform built to survive in a battle space dominated by artificial intelligence and hypersonic threats. From the propeller-driven armadas of the 1940s to the hypersonic concepts of tomorrow, these machines represent a profound paradox. We build the ultimate weapons of destruction to ensure they never have to be used. This is the strategic triad, a legacy of aluminum, composite, and courage. A silent promise that peace is maintained through the capacity for absolute global reach.